Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm showing a new little exploit on these BRS-3 Russian handcuffs.
And I'm knitting.
Yes, you are.
It's temperature blanket. Which is weird.
Now, I want to try and run you through how I believe these handcuffs work. Because unfortunately, I haven't been able to have a look inside of a set of these. So we've got the double lock on, and unlike most handcuffs we get in the rest of the world, which say these are TCH, double lock on, you would turn one way to knock the double lock off and then the other way to get the pulls. These, it is all one way, double lock off, keep turning, and the pull is undone. I've been thinking about how they managed to do this, and it has a pretty normal looking double lock. So we have, and the double lock comes off just like any other. So you have the double locking bar down here that you need to push that way to get it off. So put your key in, you turn it, double locks off. But then what I've noticed is when you turn it again to get the lock and pull, it pushes that double locking bar across. So I figured we have double locking bar and then pulls across here, and the pull comes down around here, and the double locking bar must be pushing against an upright here to make the pull come down. So if you get a nice deep hook like that and put it in the bottom of the keyway there, all the way to the back, and then lean, you get an open cuff, which is quite cool because in the past I've been trying to pick it by pushing that double locking bar across again, which feels clunky and horrible and like I'm going to break my pick. But as well, if you have the double lock on and you get it in just the right motion, you get the double lock and the pull in one quick sweep. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. It's because you were too excited.
Okay, so I'm going to pause that about here.